Hello, everyone! Welcome to Quiz Sun. Only true history fans know these. Guess the event. Guess the historical event. The moon landing 1969. One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. The sinking of the Titanic 1912. The unsinkable ship that hit an iceberg. The first airplane flight 1903. The Wright brothers changed the world forever. The end of World War II 1945. Victory over Japan DVJ Day celebration. The fall of the Berlin Wall 1989. The end of the Cold War symbol. Martin Luther King Jr.'s Speech 1963. I have a dream. The discovery of Tutankhamun 1922. The boy king's tomb was finally opened. The construction of Eiffel Tower 1889, built for the 1889 World's Fair in Paris. The Boston Tea Party 1773. No taxation without representation. The coronation of Queen Elizabeth II 1953. The start of the longest reign in British history. Subscribe for more daily quizzes.